Lab-grown cultured meat could be in market very soon. It will solve environmental problems and reduce our dependency on animals for meat. Meat can be grown in lab from stem cells. It is known as cultured or clean meat. First, a small sample of muscle is taken from a live animal. Technicians collect stem cells from the tissue, multiply them dramatically, and allow them to differentiate into primitive fibers that then bulk up to form muscle tissue. The resulting tissue can be cooked and consumed as boneless processed meat. No genetic engineering is needed to grow the meat, hence it is not a GMO. Clean meat may be healthier for consumers as cultured meat producers can control what type of fat goes into the meat. They can produce meat to contain healthy fats such as omega-3 fatty acids. According to the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations, the world faces critical food shortages in the near future as demand for meat is expected to increase by more than two-thirds. The production of meat through tissue culture could have immense effects in reducing the environmental impact of our agriculture system, minimizing threats to public health, addressing issues of animal welfare, and providing food security. Cultured meat represents the crucial first step in finding a sustainable alternative to meat production. Research carried out at the University of Oxford suggests that producing cultured beef could use as much as 99% less space than what is needed for current livestock farming methods. Research also points to greenhouse gas emissions and other environmental impacts of cultured beef being substantially lower than beef from modern farming. In 2013, when a burger made from lab-grown meat was presented to journalists, it cost more than $300,000 to produce. Memphis Meats reported this year that a quarter pound of its ground beef costs about $600. Given this trend, clean meat could become competitive with traditional meat within several years. To receive market approval, clean meat will have to be proved safe to eat. Although there is no reason to think that lab-produced meat would pose a health hazard, the FDA is only now beginning to consider how it should be regulated. Meanwhile, traditional meat producers are pushing back, arguing that the lab-generated products are not meat at all and should not be labeled as such.